Folks, we always try to harden off our plants. That way, when we plant them or somebody else plants them, they don't wilt as bad or fall over or anything. Here's the one that hardens off. What'd you say, Shug?
Or if they can get sun scald if you just put them out right out of the greenhouse.
So she did this the other day. Cloudy days are real good. You can leave them out longer. How long you want to leave them out for today, Shug?
Probably a couple hours.
Then she'll take them, put them back in, and then tomorrow, how long?
About 3-4 hours.
Just keep increasing every day there. Now we skipped yesterday because they's giving storms and all, and most of the time she's doing this here. I'm at work.
Daniel helps.
Daniel helps. He's standing over there to the side right now. You might be able to see him there. All right, let's get started. Today I've got to take my dad down to the doctor here in a little bit. So that's why I'm able to help her today. All right. Carolyn's sporting around a new shirt she got for Mother's Day. she just showed me we're going to have to do some investigating. Something had chewed up on one of her flower leaves in there. Alrighty, folks. Carolyn, turn around and show them your shirt there. Holman's Homestead with the mason jar. Alrighty. Now, Carolyn's gonna leave these out for 2 hours, and then she's got to come back up here, carry them all back in again. It is time consuming, folks, but it's worth it in the end. This evening there, just looking, we're gonna probably give all the plants, when we give them a drink, just a little bit of fertilize. We've noticed a little bit of purple on the leaves there. Most of the time what that is a phosphorus deficiency. So what we'll do, we'll give them a little bit of, feed them this evening and help them out there. Alrighty, folks, we'll see you the next time.
Okay, I'm going to get a close-up of the leaves. This is going to be before, like when we first start hardening off, and I'll show you after where the leaves thicken up.
Alrighty folks, here you can visually see the leaves has thickened up. That is sort of like their sunscreen protection, just toughened them up. Folks, I'd like to thank y'all for watching. Hope y'all have a blessed day. Let's see, it's Friday. Hope y'all have a great weekend. Memorial Day's coming up. Everybody stay safe. Thank you again for watching.